Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm giving you a tutorial about file sharing between two computers on Windows 11. So guys, the very simple way to do this without any other shenanigans or third-party apps is to just use a wire, so Ethernet wire. So it's the same on both ends. I'm just going to show you the wire. Alright, so there we go, the internet Ethernet cable, Amazon. Alright, so you probably have this one. So these are kind of fancy, but I have a very simple one. So say I have this one, for example, mine is also yellow. So guys, you just pretty much take this cable, right? They are completely the same, and you just attach both of them into your corresponding Ethernet port on both your, for example, laptop and PC, or laptop to laptop, or PC to PC, however you wish. As you can see, it has really good ratings. So you can just grab this one, for example. You just connect them, and then I have this little tutorial. So as you can see, we need to go to the control panel. Let us do that. Alright, so we go to the control panel. Make this smaller, like this. Alright, so control panel, network and internet, sharing center, and then change adapter settings on both. So you go to the adapter settings, right, and then find your Ethernet port, like this. You go to properties, Internet Protocol version 4, right here, then you press on configure, then you go to network address, as you can see right here, you press on value, and then you, for example, type in these. You can freely use these are often used on all computers, so you just, as you can see, have one difference in one digit. So in here we have 11, in here 12. So for example, on your PC, you set this address, like this. So this is going to be a PC, and another PC, this address. Alright, so they're just different in one little digit. Right, so 2 instead of here. Okay, well, the 2 like this. Then press OK and save, and now your PCs are directly connected, and you're good to go, and now you can share your files between two computers. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.